You know the nightly drill when schedules get hectic, work gets out later than expected, and suddenly your meal plan goes right out the window. It's chaotic and often unavoidable. The best way to manage these changing conditions, other than having a bottomless budget and endless free time to grocery shop, is to stock your kitchen the right way. It's easy to be tempted by snacks or high-calorie, high-fat meals. But when you keep the kitchen full of mostly nutritious staples, the options are limited, and you are forced to choose healthy food. Having the right items on hand is actually easier than you think. And in today's video, we will tell you healthy kitchen staples that you should have stocked at all times. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. 1. Frozen produce. Frozen fruits and veggies are often thought of as inferior to fresh produce. However, this is untrue. Frozen produce is often frozen at peak ripeness, meaning when they are their most nutritious. They retain these nutrients well. This means that fresh fruits and vegetables, when not in season, may actually be less nutritious. This is because they are harvested before peak ripeness. Plus, they may travel thousands of miles before reaching your plate, thus decreasing nutrient value. In addition to buying fresh produce, keep your freezer stocked with frozen fruits and vegetables. It is so easy to whip up a smoothie with frozen spinach and berries or to make a quick veggie stir-fry when you're in a pinch. 2. Canned beans. If you're looking for filling fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protein all in one food, then beans to the rescue. Many Americans don't get enough of these nutrients and beans provide them. They can last for years on your shelf. Use them in last-minute meals like soups, salads, burritos, or tacos, or simply have them on their own with some herbs, spices, and cheese. You can also top them with Greek yogurt to get an extra dose of protein, plus calcium. And the best part is that beans of any kind are super cheap, so you don't have to worry about hurting your bank account when you buy in bulk. 3. Shelf-stable milk. Whether you prefer almond, hemp, coconut, or a mix of nuts, it's always a good idea to have some extra shelf-stable milk at home. Try to have some in your fridge and another box or two in the cabinet, so when you're ready to use it, you can pour it in foods like soups, stews, muffins, or smoothies. 4. Nut butters. If you're not a fan of raw nuts, you might want to enjoy them in butter form. Research shows that despite being high in calories, nut butters can be a great addition to an individual's diet, even if they're trying to lose weight. Due to their unique combination of fat, fiber, and protein, adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter to meals can lead to greater satiation, keeping you fuller for longer between meals. When purchasing nut butters, it's important to check the ingredients list. The only ingredient should be the nuts themselves, and perhaps a bit of salt. Avoid choosing nut butters with added sugars, oils, etc. 5. Canned fish. Canned fish, such as sardines and tuna, are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, they are an inexpensive way to consume heart-healthy fish. Omega-3 fatty acids support brain health, cardiovascular health, and are known to be anti-inflammatory. Either fish can be eaten on its own as a meal or a snack or can be added to other foods. You can add canned fish to green salads, pasta salads, or serve with whole grain crackers as a snack. 6. Eggs. You can technically keep eggs for 3 weeks past the printed date. That makes them a great lasting source of protein and choline, a nutrient that acts like B vitamins to protect your heart, brain, and metabolism. Moreno suggests eating eggs for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, pairing them with veggies and starch, like potatoes. 7. Bananas. Inexpensive, tasty, versatile, and packed with nutrients. These attributes make bananas a must-have on your counter or stored in your freezer. They're a great source of potassium and complex carbohydrates. Buy a bunch and freeze the extras so you can toss them into smoothies. You can also slice them and throw them on a whole grain waffle with peanut butter or add them to oatmeal or cereal. 8. Apples. Rich in filling fiber, you can eat apples all on their own for a satisfying snack or add them to meals, either baked, sautéed, or raw. Try tossing a few slices in oatmeal or pairing with nut butter. Store leftover apples in the fridge, as cold ones can last up to 2 months. 9. Onions. This flavorful, low-calorie ingredient can last up to 6 months on your counter. Onions are part of the allium family, containing phytochemicals, which may improve immune health. Add them to potatoes, eggs, soups, or casseroles. 10. Garlic. You'll get vitamin C, B6, thiamine, potassium, phosphorus, copper, and magnesium in garlic, plus a ton of taste. Garlic can be used by crushing it and adding it to pasta, fish, meat, or veggies. Aim to store garlic in a cool, dark place, no need to refrigerate, so it lasts for up to 6 months. So which healthy foods do you always have in your pantry? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.